you gotta sand it off. I'm doing it quick and I'm doing it rough. I'm getting old and I've had enough. I need a young man to do this stuff. Speaking of stuff, I've got too much sitting outside, just parts and rust. Years of dreams gathering dust. I'm getting tired and I'm going bust. Hoarders and boarders, friends and foes, I'm trying to get my station to grow. Hoarders and boarders, bondo dreams, all these haters got me on my knees. I'm a hoarder, hey, that's what I know. Where the hell did all my slaves go? Calling them like never before. I wanna have one last goodbye. Got lawns to mow and things to buy. I'm trying to tidy, I'm cutting weeds, I'm using 400-foot extension leads. If you want this car, you're out of luck. I chopped it up, I don't give a fuck. If you want a roof above your head, don't need an alcove, come here instead. Hoarders and boarders, friends and foes, I'm trying to get my station to grow. Hoarders and boarders, bondo dreams, all these haters got me on my knees. Hoarders and boarders, friends and foes, I'm trying to get my station to grow. I'm a hoarder, that's what I know. Where the hell did all my slaves go? Please call 555-265 to request an application form today. Thank you very much.
Have a great Friday, everybody. Come back Monday. We definitely will be here. Cheers! Oh.
Wildfires are burning unchecked and out of control across Nova Scotia, destroying homes and sending people fleeing for their lives. Officials say they believe the fires were very likely caused by humans.